Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, today we're making 4th of July cupcakes or Independence Day cupcakes. Start off with a cake mix prepared according to the box directions, or you could use a from scratch white cake recipe. Divide the batter equally into 3 portions, and then you're going to tint one of those portions red. I am using paste food color, but you could use the liquid stuff as well. Just stir it in until you get a nice shade of red. It will darken a little bit when it bakes. And then do the same thing with the blue. In the third portion, you're going to leave white, of course. Prepare your muffin tins by putting in the paper liners, and then add 1 tablespoon or so of red in the bottom, followed by about a tablespoon of white, and then a tablespoon of blue. In order to have the cupcakes rise properly and not go too high above the cupcake liners, you want to fill them till they're just a little bit over the halfway mark. And then bake them according to the box directions or your recipe directions. Once they're baked and cooled, we're going to decorate. I'm using, because I'm only making 2 cupcakes, I'm using the ready-made frosting out of a tube. So I'm using a small star tip, and then I'm just piping on the blue frosting so that half of the cupcake is covered in blue, just like that. And for the other half of the cupcake, using white and red frosting, just draw on alternating stripes of white and red until the second half of the cupcake is full. Now to further decorate these, you're going to add some stars to the blue part of the cupcake. And there's a couple different ways you can do this. I used some white candy stars that I had. You could also pipe on little white stars using some frosting. And this is the method they used on the website where I found this cupcake idea. And as always, it'll be in the description box below if you wanted to go take a look. So there we go, the Stars and Stripes 4th of July cupcakes. And then you can see the red, white, and blue on the side of the cupcake there. And I also tried some with those white candy sprinkles as well. That was the third way that I did them. And there's the inside of the cupcake with the red, white, and blue. And happy Independence Day to all my American friends.